Hey guys, this is Thomas from PrivySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to write in bold on Facebook in 2021. Would you like your text to be more attractive? You can write in bold font if you would like to. Just follow these steps. Open Facebook app on your mobile phone and log into your Facebook account. Click on what's on your mind and type in any text you would like to post. Click and hold on your text and tap on Copy. Now open any browser and go to yaytext.com website. Paste your text in this box and scroll down to find bold text feature. Once you find bold option, just tap on Copy button next to it. Now go back to Facebook and paste your text. As you can see, your text is being displayed in bold font now. That's how it's done. I hope this guide was helpful and you're able to write in bold on Facebook in 2021. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at PrivySocial.com.